Hello, in today's video, I'll show you how to customize the taskbar on Motorola Razr Fold. So as you can see, the taskbar is on the bottom of the open screen, on the inner screen, and it can be customized however you want. By just pinning some apps to it or unpinning apps. You can remove an app from it by dragging it out, and you can just remove it. And then as you can see, it's not there anymore. Or you could put an app on it by selecting an app from your app drawer, like let's do LinkedIn. And then you could place it here. Let's see how many apps can we put there. Okay, only 4 pinned ones, unfortunately. On the right side after the separator, there are just recently used apps. So that is it. And now let me show you how you can use it, because it's not only on the home screen, but also if you are within an app, you can slightly drag from the bottom of the screen a little bit up, just like about an inch or less. And then it'll open the taskbar. And you can take an app. You can take an app and you can put it in split screen. So you can turn it to the left or to the right to put it in split screen. And you can put up to 3 apps, which is great. I can add it here. And now you can see I can switch like that. Then you could also open it in floating view, which means if I open an app in free form, well, that won't work because it's currently open. So I'll click here and then I'll do files. And I'll open it in free form. Now it's floating. So I can do something and use this app at the same time. So that's how you can use it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.